The big blizzard of 2010. We're gonna show how the Rose some snow.
Yeah!
She was out that first big storm in December.
What do you think, buddy?
But we didn't bring her back out for the one a couple days ago. Or for this one so far. Yeah, here we are. Let me get her. Just give you an idea how deep it is. That's my knee right there. And there's Etta. There she is. Hey, bud.
What do you think?
What do you think all the snow? Crazy, huh? You say, uh-oh, snow? You're not gonna say much of anything, huh? Why don't we go that way so the snow's not blowing in our face? Hi, buddy. Hi, pretty girl.
Are you not sure?
You're not sure about all this, are you?
I'm not either.
Mommy and Daddy aren't either.
Yeah, what do you see? You see that, Mommy?
This is how much snow we've gotten. You can see that it is just a lot of snow. I don't remember a storm like this ever. Or not two storms back to back, I should say, would be the issue. Ooh, this is crazy. Oh, trying out some snow.
Touching it? Look
What do you think? What do you think, Bug? What do you think, buddy?
Not so sure.
Kind of cold, huh?
Is it cold on your tongue? What do you think? Cold, huh?
Very cold, huh?
Cold. Cold on your hands. You don't feel it yourself? Here you go. Ah.
You're not sure, are you?
I don't know about this, Daddy.
You're not so sure? Is that enough snow? Oh, her boot just fell off.
Are we done? Cold, huh?
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See if Mommy can get up. Ugh.
And here's the boot.
Okay. Bye, Daddy.
Bye. I'm gonna walk around the house and I'm gonna snow blow. Love you guys. This is the path. Ugh. And this is everything I snow blowed earlier. It has been a while now, but you can see how deep it's gotten. The backyard. Here's our cars. Snowblower, our lifesaver this winter so far. Their chairs. Our fountain. And there's a Christmas tree somewhere under there on the porch, or on the deck. That back lump. It's actually our Christmas tree. I was going to use it for mulching. Never got a chance. Bird feeders. The fence is almost full. The pine trees are sagging. Lynn shook out the snow out of the tree earlier, but it looks like it's all back. Try to take some of the weight off of it. So, there you have it. Shed. There you have it. Some pretty good snow. So we can show Ella someday, because I doubt she'll ever see one like this. And here on top of the trash can, it's about a foot of snow on top of the trash can, which I guess is a pretty good measure. I don't think I snow blowed onto the trash cans. And there you have it.